In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see someone's reposts on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app, and first off we need to open up someone's TikTok profile. And right over here at this user's profile we can see this button. It looks like up and down arrows. This is basically a repost button, and if I tap right here it will show me all the videos on TikTok that they have reposted. Please note that you will not see these buttons on all accounts because reposts can be hidden from the profile page in the settings. So if you don't see here this button, there is no other way to see the particular user's reposts. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.